Janae here, Barely Bold. I am getting ready to show you how to achieve this look. It is finger coils with plopping overnight. So initially I didn't intend to plop my hair overnight, but that happened and it kind of gave me a different look than what I'm used to. So this is finger coils with plopping. I will make a video specifically for that because I did not film it. I didn't intend to plop it. Finger coils are really a really good protective hairstyle for natural hair. I'll go over everything you're going to need. So if you're interested in learning how to achieve this look, keep watching. The products you're going to need for this are, I suggest you have like a towel ready. I just washed my hair with this biotin shampoo, and also the conditioner I used was the Coconut Curls shampoo. I've done this 3 or 4 times now, so I think I got it. I don't want to speak too soon. Don't have a black eye. I don't. I just haven't taken the time to tone yet. So what you're going to need for this is about 2 or 3 clips, or a hair tie will suffice. So just 2 or 3 regular clips like this, depending on how thick your hair is. You're gonna need some curling cream. So this is Pillow Soft Curls. I'm not gonna be using this. I don't know. I haven't decided yet because I've used Pillow Soft Curls, which is expensive. It is very much not affordable. Because I ran out of this and couldn't afford to get any more, I went and got some of this Cantu Define and Shine Custard. I think it's for coiling, which I really love, and it delivers brilliant shine and hold. And then you also will need some sort of an oil. I'm using Nature's Blessing, which is my favorite oil. I've been using it since I was literally 2 years old. And then some sort of a leave-in conditioner. This is Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil, it's just leave-in conditioner. So before you do anything, you want to just take a nice amount of leave-in conditioner, put it in your hands, and kind of just put it through your hair. Then take your Denman Brush and work your way from the ends up throughout your hair. This is probably the most strenuous part, but the Denman Brush makes it very easy. Stop it. Talking to my cat, guys, I'm sorry. So you're gonna comb it out, brush it decently. You see how like I'm holding it and then I'm like brushing the ends? That is so important, so like you don't kill somebody's scalp, especially if they're tender-headed like me. I haven't like done my hair for me in a long time, so it's very tangled. Comes with the territory. Okay, so once your hair is all brushed out, so now what you're gonna do is section your hair off into 3 sections, or 2 or 4. It depends on how thick your hair is. I honestly normally can get away with just doing like 1 section because my hair is pretty like not that thick. So I'm gonna go ahead and start in the front so you guys can see what I'm doing as I work my way to the back. I love the Denman Brush. I purchased it maybe a month ago. It's $8 on Amazon and it is so worth it. Once you're all clamped up, so what you're gonna do now is go ahead and brush your hair again with the Denman Brush. I'm gonna shake it a little bit, and you see how it's already, this is, I wish I would have recorded the very first time I coiled my hair, because this didn't happen. It was all like kind of straight and wasn't really finding anything. But now it's kind of finding its own curl pattern. So let's just go ahead and start. You're gonna take about this much hair. You're gonna take some more leave-in, a little more leave-in, pull it through your hair. Brush through your hair, grab some oil. I'm using the Nature's Blessing, like I said, just like on your fingertips. Pull that through your hair if you want to put some on your scalp. Last thing you're gonna do is grab some of your coiling custard or whatever curling cream that you're using. Grab some of that. So it's going in this kind of direction, in like a clockwise direction. So I'm gonna take my hair and coil it in that direction. The way you coil it is you literally take your finger, wrap it around in circles, and spin it. And if you can see, it's starting to like almost like a dreadlock, honestly, is what it looks like. You're just gonna keep coiling and pulling through. And if you choose the wrong direction, you'll know, because it'll unravel super quick. And you should go in the other direction and choose the direction where the coil stays best. I found that to work for me. So you're gonna coil this until it's like super coiled at each little section as you work your finger down. And then when you get to the end, it should stay like this. If you feel like it's not, just go back again, coil it. I'm gonna take another section. I'm gonna coil in the opposite direction with this one. The second time I did this, I thought at first it looked kind of weird because the coils were going in different directions, but I was just going with like what my natural curl wanted to do. And when I took it out, it didn't look right. You really do need to go with whatever the curl is doing. Like if it's going this way, the spiral is going this way in your hair, wrap it this way. If the spiral is going this way in your hair, wrap it that way, because it really does make a big difference. And you'll get buildup. Don't worry about it, because once it's all dry, all that just goes away. The drier your hair, I would say the more oil and leave-in to use. And I want you guys to know too, the first time I did this, my coils did not look this defined. If you do it and like they don't look this defined, don't be discouraged, because mine also, like, they did not look this defined at all. They were kind of like, they kind of falling out a little bit, because everybody starts somewhere. Me, as I work my way to the back, I kind of get bigger sections. The longer your hair, because I did my sister's hair too, I coiled her hair. The longer your hair, the thicker your hair. The smaller coils you need, and the more coils you need. I found that to be very true with her. I'm looking in the mirror, so I'm not looking at y'all, I'm sorry. My bad. So once you get to like the front of your hair, you want to be careful how you coil because it's like wherever you want your hair parted. For tomorrow, I think I'm going to try a middle part because I haven't worn a middle part with my natural hair in a long time. My hair is all coiled up. I look like Lil Bow Wow. I mean, run through my mind like all the time. So with the coils, these are gonna stay in my hair today, overnight. I've never done them overnight, so I hope it comes out okay. Just really late and it needed to be done. I'm gonna sleep like a princess. And I hope that looks good in the morning. See you guys tomorrow morning. This is pretty much like what it looks like. When I clip my ends, like I've been just like clipping off the little straight parts. Nothing ridiculous, but just little straight parts like this. Because most of the time it's just dead hair and we don't need anything that doesn't bring life on us or around us. Cut those things off. Cut those people off. They don't bring life. If they don't bring life, cut them off. We don't need none of that. We don't need none of that. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this. I hope that you found it helpful. If you have any questions about anything that I did within this video, please don't hesitate to comment. I would be happy to clarify. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video if it helped you out, and I'll see you next time.